do you actually have to have this ready?
The show's the 21st. Mark.
You got any other projects or just kind of the primary
This is the
concern
main
right now?
I think if we could have this one, if I could have it apart, get everything out of the way, and do the same thing. He said he'd thank me.
I think that's going to be the hardest part, just getting all that out.
Yeah. For the most part, it's pretty solid. And
I mean, they got bad roads.
it's sit in Wisconsin for like 3 or 4 years.
I would expect it to be worse, honestly. So what's he going to use it for?
It'll just go to like shows, and, like pull the race car trailer and stuff. Like it ain't gonna be nothing crazy. It's way overkill for what he's gonna use it for, but he's also the type that you might see a tank on the back of it. There's no telling. So he gets pretty wild with it.
Oh, it looks sure to be a lot better than this handle.
Crazy, I know our deadline, but we're here.
I think projects like this, you always run into stuff like that with no plan. But I mean, you've already went this far, couldn't matter
If we want it to be perfect, I think that's where we need to go.
Oh, I agree.
You guys have killed it on the rest of it.
We'll make the rest match.
Yeah. We're already this far.
Yeah. So you want to do the whole thing?
Yeah.
Actually, we'd rather say that anyway.
That's what I'm talking about. So looks like we're going to be busy. Starting on the pocket.
actually good that we're doing it like this because all that stuff's gonna have time to settle, and then the week before we take it up there, I'll final do it.
We got 2.5 weeks right now, 2.5, 3 weeks. And I can put the Stags visor, you get the windshield put in. Like, it might get scratched, it might,
I would just put it together.
Get it all together and then you just
If there's something minute, I need to go on the
that way you can go straight from here on the front of the straight to the
If there's something minute, I need to take off the can just so that I don't see nothing. I'm gonna send some paint to y'all, so you guys can touch stuff up there.
Like, this will get a big stainless paint. I'd like for it to have painted panels, but
Well, you can only do what you can do right now.